He's slime.
He has a slime trail on your arm. He's cute.
He must be a baby's baby. It seems like he's sitting there, but he's not. He's really moving, right?
Yeah.
Just by slowly, right?
Mm-hmm. He likes you.
But he likes me. He likes me, Daddy.
Oh, maybe because you smell good. Or maybe because he knows you're a sweetheart.
And I'm being calm of him.
Mm-hmm.
He's tickling me so